Hi everyone, for supper tonight I'll be making slow cooker cranberry pork chops. What all goes into the slow cooker cranberry pork chops? 6 boneless pork chops, 1 envelope dry onion soup mix, 1 can jellied cranberry sauce. I'm going to use the whole berry. I think that'll make it taste better. 2 tablespoons butter, and 2 tablespoons flour. So let's begin. Take your crock pot. As you can see, I have a silicone liner. I almost always use a liner, either silicone or disposable, for easy cleanup. Take your onion soup mix and pour it at the bottom of the crock pot. Then lay your boneless pork chops on the top of the onion soup mix. These are kind of thin. They may not take as long to cook as the original recipe. So I am going to check it early. It says cook for 8 hours. I'll start checking about 5. And then take your can of jellied cranberries, and again I'm using whole berry, and put over the pork chops. And Dave's not a big fan of cranberries, but I've been cooking stuff with cranberries, and so far he's liked most everything. I'm going to kind of spread it out here. This is going to be one of the easiest recipes ever. So put your lid on, turn it to low, and cook it for 8 hours, and that is for the regular thickness of the pork chops. These are thin pork chops. So again, I'm going to check them starting about 5 hours or 6 hours and see if they are tender. If not, we'll just keep going until they're done. After the pork chops are done, remove, put on a plate, and cover with foil. Turn your crock pot to high. Put in 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour. And stir that until it thickens up and makes a gravy. So here is a slow cooker cranberry pork chops. Rounding out the meal is mashed potatoes with some of the cranberry gravy on top. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Well, this certainly smells good. I'm assuming this is what I'm taste testing.
Yes.
Is this cranberry or?
It is. That is slow cooker cranberry pork chop. And then I put the cranberry gravy on top of the mashed potatoes.
Okay. Well, that's pretty tasty. Smells really good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.